Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. North Goa slipping out of BJP's hand. South Goa still showing confidence in CM. 68% feel quality of life did not improve in Parivartan government. Prudent Exclusive on the Goan and Nielsen survey. Mines Department lodges complaint with the crime branch in illegal mining case. Refrains from naming any accused. Attaches Shah, PSC, CEC reports. Urban Development Ministry approves 6 projects of the CCP worth 1,000 crore rupees. Bangini garbage plant, beautification of Nalla on cards. Sessions Court rules in favor of Chogule College in staff room case. Allots full rights to the college to decide on shifting of the room. And introduction of sports as a subject will boost volleyball, says Irvin Suarez. Irvin not to contest Goa Volleyball Association elections. Now the news in detail. North Goa is gradually slipping away from the hands of the state BJP, while South Goa is still posing its faith in the leadership of Manohar Parrikar. Survey by the Goan on Saturday and Nielsen has revealed that though BJP's popularity has not taken a sizable dip, it has come down quite a bit. 31% people feel that quality of their life is improved during the rule of Parivartan government, while 68% people do not feel any difference. The detailed survey will be available in this edition of the Goan on Saturday.
Findings of the survey by the Goan on Saturday and Nielsen are an eye-opener for the Parrikar-led government. The Parivartan government has completed 1.5 years. This government has survived a toppling bid. This is what Goans feel about the performance of the CM during this period. CM's performance: 53% Goans feels that it is good. 36% feels it is satisfying, while 10% term it as flop. This means 46% Goans are not terming CM's performance to be good enough to appreciate. Little more than half electorate feels that it is good. Now have a look at the other slide. How many people feel that Parivartan government has improved the quality of their life? Yes says 31%, no says 68%. This means 68% Goans feel that quality of life hasn't improved in last 1.5 years. Now have a look at the third and important slide. How do people of North Goa and South Goa judge this government? These figures are crucial on the backdrop of Lok Sabha election. How many people feel that government's performance is good till now? 36% in North Goa and 54% in South Goa. How many are happy with government's effort on curbing corruption? 9% in North Goa, 27% in South Goa. How many people would give their vote to the BJP if told to vote immediately? 51% in North Goa, 63% in South Goa. The survey report clearly indicates that state BJP fortress North Goa is slipping away from their hands. South Goa, which was once a difficult task for the state BJP, is still sympathetic towards the party. But what about mining, regional plan and airport issue? You'll get all your answers and a detailed report in the Goan on Saturday. A special debate on this survey will be telecast on Saturday at 7 and 10 p.m. Bureau Report Prudent.
Directorate of Mines has lodged a complaint with the crime branch for criminal proceedings against those involved in illegal mining. Shah Commission report, CEC and PSC report on mining are attached with the complaint. But it does not mention name of any individual in particular as accused. Sources claim that government is in the process to hand over a similar complaint to the Lokayukt to assess the volume of loss due to illegal mining.
Directorate of Mine has attached CEC, Shah Commission and PAC report with their complaint to the crime branch. Manohar Parrikar had prepared the PAC report when he was leader of opposition. But surprisingly, the complaint does not mention name of any individual as accused.
Government and decision घेतिल्ले की matter is to be referred for investigation as far as criminal aspects are concerned, which are highlighted in Central Empowered Committee's report. Shah Commission's report and Public Accounts Committee report. So as far as criminal proceedings are concerned, we've handed over all the documents with a complaint to the crime branch.
Against whom?
We've not specified any individual as such, but wherever there are instances where we have some suspicion, we have referred them and asked for a detailed investigation into the matter.
DIG OP Mishra has cleared that decision on registering the complaint will be taken only after a detailed study on the complaint filed by the Mines Department.
We have received a complaint from Director of Mines today, and it's a voluminous complaint. It carries more than 1000 pages. So the complaint is going to be studied, and after proper study of the complaint, accordingly proper legal action, whatever is made out, will be taken.
Reliable sources confirm that names mentioned in Shah Commission report and the PAC report on illegal mining have been underlined by the Mines Department in its complaint, but the department has not dared to name any individual. Apart from this, department is in the process of filing another complaint with the state Lokayukt. Lokayukt will probe into the volume of loss due to illegal mining. Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Frari.
Urban Development Ministry has cleared 6 major projects of the CCP. 6 projects including Bayangini Garbage Plant and Santinaj Nalla Beautification have been approved. Projects will cost almost 1000 crore rupees. The meeting was held on Friday at the Mantralaya. Urban Development Ministry will send these projects to JNNURM for approval. Once these projects are approved, central government will bear 80% of the costs, while rest 20% will be shared by the state and the CCP.
Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza briefed the media. Meeting held at Ministerial Block in Mantralaya discussed and cleared 6 projects for City Corporation of Panji. Project includes comprehensive mobility plan, Bayangini solid waste treatment plant, renovation of Santinaj Nalla, slum rehabilitation. Projects will be funded under JNNURM, and government placed these proposals before the centre by 31st August for an approval.
सगळे CCPचे एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव मोबिलिटी प्लॅन एक आहा, सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट एक आहा, मागीर सांतिनेज क्रीक हा, 1 2 3 जाले, आणि ते स्लम रिहॅबिलिटेशनाचे एक आहा, 1000 कोटी वयर तशेंच ते आमी सगळे प्रोजेक्ट ऑगस्टाच्या 31 तारखे पयलीं धाडपा जाय ते. सो दॅट इज अ बिग हरी नाव. पैसे सगळे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे, 80% सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, 10% कॉर्पोरेशन, 10% state government.
Mayor Surendra Furtado is extremely happy with the developments.
I am very happy with the meeting. Whatever CCP wanted, we have got. The CM is the chairman, he will tell the rest.
Treatment plan koi jato to Hira petrol pump pagade?
No, Bayangini, no. I am thankful to the Chief Minister for having agreed to everything. He was very kind enough.
A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.